finding the right rake can make lawn and garden cleanup much easier. In this video, we're looking at the top 5 best rakes of 2026, comparing their durability, tine design, handle length, coverage, comfort, and overall versatility to help you choose the right rake for leaves, grass, and everyday yard debris.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. 26 to 32 Lightweight Polypropylene Tine Leaf Rake. The Bully Tools 26 to 32 Lightweight Polypropylene Tine Leaf Rake is a durable and lightweight option for clearing leaves, grass clippings, twigs, thatch, and other yard debris. It features a wide 30-inch polypropylene rake head that covers more ground with each pass, while the flexible tines help gather debris efficiently. The long fiberglass handle is designed for strength and comfort, with an ergonomic grip that can help reduce hand fatigue during extended yard work. Weighing around 3.3 pounds, it offers a good balance between wide coverage and easy handling. The rake is also made in the USA by Bully Tools and requires only minimal assembly, making it a practical choice for regular lawn and garden cleanup. Number 2. Adjustable Rakes for Leaves. The Jardiner 63-inch Adjustable Garden Leaf Rake is a versatile and lightweight option for everyday lawn and garden cleanup. Its rake head can expand from 7 to 23 inches, allowing you to cover wider areas when collecting leaves or narrow the head for tight spaces around flower beds, hedges, and delicate plants. The rake weighs about 1.4 to 1.5 pounds and features a metal/aluminum handle with flexible stainless steel tines, making it easy to maneuver while reducing fatigue during longer yard work sessions. Its adjustable and collapsible design also makes it convenient to store or transport, including for camping. However, it is not intended for heavy-duty materials such as rocks, so it is best suited for leaves, grass clippings, and loose garden debris. Number 3. GreatBuddy 72-inch Heavy-Duty Expandable Leaf Rake. The GreatBuddy 72-inch Heavy-Duty Expandable Leaf Rake is a sturdy and versatile option for lawn, garden, and yard cleanup. It features an 18-inch wide head with 25 reinforced metal tines, providing a good balance between coverage and effective collection of leaves, grass clippings, twigs, and other debris. The rust-resistant stainless steel handle can be adjusted to 29, 43, 57, or 72 inches, allowing users of different heights to work more comfortably without excessive bending. Its aluminum-coated metal rake head adds durability and corrosion resistance, while the 1-inch diameter handle provides a solid feel during heavier cleanup. The rake can also be assembled quickly by connecting the handle sections, making it a practical choice for homeowners who want adjustable length and durable metal construction in one tool. Number 4. Serqd 73-inch Adjustable Garden Leaf Rake. The Serqd 73-inch Adjustable Garden Leaf Rake is a versatile yard cleanup set designed for collecting leaves, grass clippings, and other light garden debris. It features an 18-inch wide head with 25 metal tines and an adjustable handle that extends from 36 to 73 inches, making it easier to find a comfortable working height. The rake is made with rust-resistant metal construction and breaks down for convenient storage and transport. A major advantage is the included 32-gallon reusable leaf bag, made from woven polypropylene for tear and water resistance, which lets you collect debris without needing to purchase a separate yard waste bag. The rake is quick to assemble without additional tools and is particularly useful for routine lawn and garden cleanup. Number 5. Lilyvane 65-inch Metal Garden Leaf Rake. The Lilyvane 65-inch Metal Garden Leaf Rake is a durable and adjustable option for clearing leaves, pine needles, grass clippings, and other light yard debris. It features an 18-inch wide head with 25 steel tines, providing a useful balance of coverage and control for lawns, gardens, and tighter areas. The sectional metal handle can be adjusted from approximately 37 to 65 inches, allowing users to choose a comfortable working height and making the rake easier to store and transport. Its steel tines are designed for durability and resistance to bending, while the 1 1/8 inch diameter handle provides a sturdy grip. The 25 tine version is particularly suited to general lawn cleanup and collecting leaves or pine needles, although an 18-inch head covers less ground per pass than wider leaf rakes.